Good night. My name is Evis Mercado from the 30 English course. Now I will talk about the positive and negative effects of technology on the environment. Answering to K question. 1. How do you see the future of our planet? In my opinion, I think it's very difficult to be optimistic in the face of all difficulties that we are facing worldwide in terms of the changes we are seeing on our planet. Every day we can see in the news natural disasters, such as fires that occur in different countries, heavy rains, earthquakes, storms, 14 term of countries where it snows, and not going so far we can see that in Colombia. There are rain of great magnitude that affect large, there and rain of great magnitude that affect large population. The issue of landslides raising river is also frequent where many people use their lives, but everything into to our behavior towards nature. Repudial, we listen, we see the myth, but we are not aware. Technology is also taking over the thought of if human beings so much that it has become a fundamental part of daily living. Everyday technology affects more our ecosystem, seeing in it influences a lot which the issues of construction elements that we use daily and do not realize how we affect nature. 2. How to mitigate the environmental damage. I consider that taking measures is the most important thing at this time to give our ecosystem a little respect. I recommend promoted the use of recycling as an obligation for each person. Creating a law that is against the destruction of forests where it is prohibited the felling of trees. Conserve rivers, see some places of high biodiversity in an added wet way. Do not dump garbage. Generate fines for people who carry out at again nature and the resources that are the source of life for the world. Thank you.